The Apostolic Nuncio to India and Nepal, Most Reverend Leopoldo Girelli, is on a visit to the Archdiocese of Shillong from the 14th to 16th October 2021. The purpose of his visit is to confer the pallium on the newly appointed Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Reverend Victor Lingdor. At the plenitude that was held on 15th October at Lajumkra Cathedral Mary Help of Christians Church, the faithful were not allowed to attend the service except for those who had been specially invited. Due to the pandemic, the ceremony had taken place with limited number of participants with strict adherence to government protocols. The conferring of the pallium had taken place at the Holy Mass, where the Apostolic Nuncio Archbishop Leopoldo Girelli was the main celebrant. Other participants included archbishops and bishops of the Archdiocese and Diocese of the Northeastern States of India, along with the priests of Shillong Archdiocese. Those present during the ceremony also included the Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma, Cabinet Minister James P. K. Sangma, Member of Parliament Shillong seat Vincent H. Pala, besides others.
The pallium signifies the unity of the Archbishop with the successor of Peter, and his responsibility to care for the flock entrusted to him by the Holy Father Francis. It is made of sheep wool as a symbol of Christ, the sacrificial Lamb of God, who takes away the sins of the world, and the symbol of the Good Shepherd who cares for his flock, leads them, guides them, and inspires them. It reminds us of Christ himself, who, as the Good Shepherd, took the lost sheep, humanity, on his shoulders to bring it home.